Hey guys, I'm at the Escrites road level crossing in Heathcote Junction, Victoria. This is a 2-gate 4-signal crossing on the Seymour line, which is trained to Seymour and beyond. This first signal we have here has an unlocked base, safe turn gate mechanism, a white with right riding stop on red signal sign, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse cross arms, 3 track sign, standard cross buck, Westinghouse hybrid bell, arc of healthy state indicator, a flat gate, and 3 Western Colonnades gate lights. On this median signal here, we have an unlocked base, or no base. White with right running stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, a 3 track sign, standard cross block, and a pole cap. This gated signal here has an unlocked base, safe turn gate mechanism, a white with right riding stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, a 3 track sign, standard cross buck, Westinghouse hybrid bell, a flat gate, and 3 Western Colonnades gate lights. And the last median signal here has an unlocked base, white with black riding stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, 3 track sign, standard cross buck, and there's my pole cap, I think. And there's that Westinghouse, that arc of healthy state indicator that I forgot to mention.
You taking a photo of the car?
No, I'm filming the crossing.